This Peacock is a more advanced pipe cleaner project, but I'll take you through each step so that it's simple to put together. For this project, you'll need 10 blue, 7 green, 4 white, and 1 brown pipe cleaner, a pencil, fingernail clippers, googly eyes, and thick white craft glue. Start by making the Peacock's 7 feathers. For each one, use half of a white pipe cleaner, half of a blue pipe cleaner, and a full green pipe cleaner. Start with the blue half and coil it down about 3 or 4 times till you have a pea-sized coil, and then take the rest of the stem and bend it so it goes straight down like so. Now take your white half and wrap the end right at the base of the coil to hold it in place, and then wrap it carefully around the blue coil 2 times. I'm pressing it more into a little bit of an oblong shape as I go. Twist the end around the stem again when you are finished. Now wrap the end of the green pipe cleaner at the base of the white. And do the same thing with the green, bringing it around the edge of the white pipe cleaner 2 times. After the second time around, take the rest of the green pipe cleaner and twist it around 3 or 4 times right at the base, and then twist it down the blue pipe cleaner stem until you get to the end and pinch it tight. You've got 1 feather completed, so repeat the process until you have 7 feathers. Now we'll make the body starting with a basic frame. So fold 1 blue pipe cleaner in half and then bend the folded end down just a little bit to make a beak. Now take another blue pipe cleaner and hold the end of it up against a pencil and wrap it around in a bundle, 1 coil right on top of the other. Tuck in the end when you're done. Remove it from the pencil. Thread the head onto the body base and bring it up so that the beak is just sticking out the front. Make a bend about 1/3 of the way down and then bend it again right at the back of the head to put the head in the right position. Now hold another blue pipe cleaner right up against the base of the head and coil it around the body base, 1 coil right next to the other. Keep wrapping until you get about 2/3 of the way down the body and the tail is about equal to the other 2. Set the body aside and hold all of your feathers together. Take one of the ends and wrap it around the other to make a bundle close to the green wraps to make sure everything stays in place. Spread them out into position. Fold 2 of the tails on the body part back toward the head, so this will make a thicker body of our peacock. Hold the feathers up against the very back of the body, bending the tails of the feathers again towards the head. Clip off any extra that's sticking out. Now wrap the remaining tail at the back around the whole thing just to hold everything in place. Now we're going to start building the peacock's body. So attach 1 end of a blue pipe cleaner right at the base of the neck and wrap it around and around, 1 coil right next to each other to make the body thicker. Now coil around 2 more pipe cleaners, this time concentrating on the middle of the body, so you want to make a plump belly and back section, so wrap it around where you need to increase the size for a nice shape. Tuck in the end securely. To make the feet, use about 2/3 of a brown pipe cleaner and fold it in half. Insert 1 end through a bottom coil on the peacock, more toward the front. Twist it around once or twice to hold the legs in place. At the end of each leg, fold 2 toes. Bend down a piece about 1/4 of an inch, make a V, and then fold another V just about 1/4 of an inch and fold it out at a 90-degree angle. Do the same thing for the other side. This next step is optional. It's probably the trickiest part, just to give a little white accent on the peacock's head. So with the remaining white pipe cleaner, poke it through the very front coil above the beak so that just a little piece of the end sticks out. Wrap it once around the beak and then clip off the end so it's easier to work with. Leave about an inch or so. And then send that end through the same coil on the other side so that you may have a white eye patch on each side of the head. You can trim the little end off if it's necessary and just bend it around a little till it looks right. To make the little feathers that come out of the top of the head, use the remaining blue pipe cleaner, fold it in a V, about a 1/2 inch each side, and then cut off another piece to match so that you have 3 equal sections. Now separate a coil at the back of the head and put in a generous amount of glue and stick the 3 feathers in place so that they stick up straight out of the top of the head. The last step is to glue on the googly eyes, so put a generous amount of glue right in the middle of each of the white eye patches and stick the eyeball into place. Once the glue is completely dry, you're finished. Please subscribe to my channel for more pipe cleaner crafts and other ideas. There's new videos every week, so you don't want to miss one.